Well, talking about next week, we have Halloween to look forward to as well. But looking at our portfolio this week, I'd say that this is where the horror show begins. So our first real down week.
If you're going to have a down week, do it properly.
And we managed that all right. There it is, the VanEck Crypto and Blockchain Innovators ETF down 15% on the week. Of course, very wisely, the chairman decided to cut that exposure in half a couple of weeks ago. So we only have 2.5% of the portfolio in there. However, the World Mining Trust also was hit 7%, partly because the same reason as the asset just above it there. You see gold down 4%. Remember, in the World Mining Trust, 32% of exposure is from the gold miners. On the plus side, and this really underlines that benefit of a diversification, we see India was up 3.7% on the week. The FTSE shining bright there, up 1%.
Steady Eddie.
And as the Prime Minister in Japan was sworn in under the coalition, then the Nikkei 225 also up 1% on the week, along with emerging markets just under that. So overall, Chairman, what does that give us as a week-on-week performance?
We're down 1.3%.
Which does sound painful, but in the grand scheme of things, gents, we're still up 7.5% since inception. But where do we go from here?